This video is sponsored by JLCPCB. For this design, I used JLCPCB's CNC machining service to produce this custom printhead mount. The surface has been sandblasted for a smooth and premium finish. The mount includes countersunk holes for precise printhead alignment, ensuring optimal print accuracy. JLCPCB is fully equipped to handle even your most complex manufacturing needs. Placing an order is just as easy as online shopping. Simply visit jlcpcb.com, upload your 3D file, and complete your order in just a few minutes. One of the biggest challenges in InkJet 3D printing with support structures is ensuring the printed height of the two materials matches perfectly. Here are two typical test cases, both showing noticeable height mismatches between the model and support material. To correct this, beyond tweaking the material formulas, I incorporated a digital potentiometer into my PCB design. This allows me to adjust the printhead voltage and control the ink output. I can modify the voltage value directly in my software and update the printhead parameters accordingly. Unfortunately, even minor inconsistencies can accumulate over thousands of layers. In this print result, you can see the base of the model looks fine, but the top shows significant height mismatch. The support material is gel-like. I first remove most of it manually. I added a bit of dish soap to the water, but it didn't seem to make much difference. Even after a basic cleaning, a thin film of support material remained on the surface. I suspect this might be due to some material mixing during printing. To deal with this, I tried alkaline water and ultrasonic cleaning. In addition to the severe deformation at the top, the base shows some banding, likely caused by gaps due to insufficient wetting of the support material. For future prints, I'll be using a roller system to resolve the height mismatch issue more effectively.